ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Hakajing rakhi keling khok wash postnam Karashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram program apok kajala ka District Early Intervention Center West Gender Hills District ka bahap apok Karashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram National Health Mission jong Sarkar Meghalaya haga ka santri ke Jumbang arajar pusau klapenlong ikajing thirnia ka washisngi halo kapang nutrition and growth. Kajing temu jangani kajing thirnya kalong ru ban Pynshai Paidbah halo Karashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram bat ban gentia kajing day hapadang kitna trekam sarkar nadu ke District School Education Office midday meal katna social welfare ka ICDS bat ke District Resources Center on Disability Affairs Civil Hospital Yalong West Gender Hills District. Hagar gasngi la sakilang Deputy Commissioner jong West Gender Hills District uba BS Solia ke Deputy Director Health Services kam State Nodal Officer Karashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram National Health Mission Meghalaya Dr. Aigat Pho nolol ki doktor ki officer sarkar bat kiwe.
Program Rbsk dari Karashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram hauni arja also dapat Snem hei jinglai ki yongka takkan kita kuat diagram why we celebrate and observe yang di milestone kenapa yung kenal Shaphang kajian dari existence yang di program ini boy yang yang khususnya untuk Shaphang yang kenal yang kita bagi program ini beliau tak kejap buat betul activities yang di program ini. Jadi program ini conduct child health screening dan ini cerita apa? Dan bagi health check up kita ada di mobile health team kita. Tak ini kita check up lagi ya di age group kita ada at birth ada pasangan yang kita. Screening ini koi ya kita kecil mesti kita di 40s kita tahu the defects at birth, the diseases, the deficiencies, the disabilities. Ye kini daw yang kami yang kita berapa banyak macam. Tapi ye kini kita kenapa yang kami, oi MT kita bukan embed part yang ini. Jadi ye kini birth defects screening. Ini to lalu dia, MT kami boleh formukan. Dia di sini ini, jadi kita ikut tim di ketik kita pergi orang kelas dan di kelas kalah. Tu ibu kita kami ikut mereka, yang ada belum kita di spike, ketik kita neurological defects. Jadi kita kami ikut mereka, macam dia berdua kita ikut kejap ini, kejap ketik kami kelas foot. Kita mula ni kimat. Kita tahu kami ketik congenital heart disease. Itu hopeless senang. Kamu coba screen dulu ini kemat, ini kami lepas imaging senang ini kemat, nanti kami visual impairment, dan ini imaging senang ini cukup, nanti kami hearing impairment. Tapi kalau ini kor, waktu program ini ikut kedua screening ini, Henry, mana cemi ini kita, yang apa lagi, hei aging semua kami surgery. Surgery ni bentar kiwakak ikutian di surgery ni bentar kedori kok jati kamu jual surgery ni bentar kamu jual transfer di heart surgery teman ni aging semua hei kedori biang the year pun happen something ikon hei med heart dan ni dong ni pura growing to their full potential yo ki la score yo ki pure yo ki compete ki want to final
satisfaction of having accomplish a day's work with we've thrown in all our hearts and souls, abilities, and most times we have sacrificed our own personal, commitments for the betterment of the program. We should carry on with that. And I noticed, and I know that also in our presence here we have a district social welfare officer, we have the district school education officer for the same, two other departments collaborating effectively with the health department and other departments too will be, and I'm also very pleased and I'm very happy to have our guests, they've come all the way from Garo Hills to be with us, so it's more or less a kind of a state program. And I would like to say that let this be a learning experience. Let us learn from each other. We will be learning from the other districts that are here, so from Garo Hills, from the West Khasi Hills, East Khasi Hills, they're all here. So we'll be learning, exchanging ideas, exchanging notes on how to tackle certain glitches, certain problems. That's the whole idea. Otherwise, we know what we have to do. But sometimes we are stuck at a particular point where we feel like sort of helpless and we don't know how to progress further. But we live at an age now where to reach out to our colleagues and to reach out to our contemporaries and to reach out to our, nodal officers is not hard at all anymore. We all have WhatsApp. There are dedicated groups, I know, dedicated groups. So this exchange of ideas and exchange of information is free and fast flowing. We have to tap on those and, like I said, collaborate in such a way, it can be formally, it can be informally, so that the progress, if not just West Jaita Hills, but the state as a whole, should climb up the ladder and be one of the states that is leading by example. And the main example here is cooperation, collaboration, and we have to leave egos aside. If I feel that I'm not quite sure what I'm doing, but my ego is standing in front of me and not allowing me to reach out to other colleagues. It can be junior to me, and I feel like, since I feel that I know everything, so I cannot talk to anyone else. We should leave that aside. We should not think of that way. We should be in the same boat and learn and accept each other's ideas, thoughts. In that way, we can progress and we can go from step, from each step to another step where we can accomplish our goals.